I mean, this is this person. When Akufo-Addo power, President Akufo-Addo, immigration, for instance, their total number of personnel was less than 4,000. Today, by the grace of God, we have a total of immigration personnel over 14,000. I want to ask Kofi Adam to say, with the threat of terrorism facing all countries, which Ghana is not exempted, is he not happy that today he can drive safely to Parliament and go back and call himself a member of Parliament? When they are protecting our borders, do they do politics over there? No. They protect our borders. And then Ghana police, I don't know of who be as MP. At time my MP for starting say accident every member of Parliament was advocating say, yeah man of bodyguards. And then members of Parliament or more bodyguards unless they decide to one more pay. Bodyguards no mukutano. One more MP are the MP before. And all NDC MPs to return their bodyguards immediately. Because I think that they are not safe for their bodyguards because they are MPP. Let us not politicize the security services. It is rather unfortunate for experienced politicians like Kofi Adams, like Agaga, like Ay3hu. It is bad politics. It is completely bad politics. And I'm saying this on authority. I've said it for morning. I am challenging them to show one person. Because if they don't, by Monday, mark my words. From 2017, Akufo-Addo Bemo. And this media MP, our party, our recommendation, I Gino, Ninipa security agencies, not Bomudin, including the MPs. I mentioned their names now.
But Kofi Adam say,
Kofi Adam say for me for Monday.
And
some of them have even gone to lobby. Their people have been promoted twice.
And Kohansa or say yes.
So I want to see a security agency near politics who will help them to do it. What they are doing is wrong. Ghana is not an exception from threat of terrorism. What we are doing is to retool the security intelligence agencies to protect the integrity of our country. What I said, territorial integrity is very important, like the borders. And then the date to say they make him. He's a legislator. Fine. Again, because there is good mechanisms. He knows very well about security. So I'm disappointed the way he's speaking. And I don't think that he should go on this tangent. And I want to send a caution. If their plan said on the day of elections they will attack security agencies, then because no state security will be attacked by any vigilantes. It will not happen in this country. No state security will be attacked by any vigilante group. It will not happen in this country. Mark my words. The security agencies will do their work professionally. And everybody will go and exercise his or her franchise as a citizen of this country by voting. And then when the elections is declared, listen to me carefully. The MPP, so we are waiting and believing that the good people of this country will repose confidence and trust in us and give us another chance. If the Ghanaians say that, look, MPP Munkwa, we are prepared to hand over power and ensure a peaceful transition. But let not anybody think that he can come and intimidate anybody or use violence in elections. It will not happen.
That is not what Honorable Minister the NDC is preaching. I'm say, only pay a fair playing ground to engage or recruit people into our security services. One, omumpe nepotism. Omumpe nyoma enye papa. If there's a nyoma enye for papa, o faso di nipa bewura eye ye security services ma emwa ede nyoma bia enso enkoyi na eba. Eba na ye a political security agency. That's what they are saying is not the best. So
I am saying that they are making allegations. It's been 48 or 24 hours. They should give us one example of the 30 laws they are talking about. They should mention names. So, they are man 30. Until then, they have no case.
But
they have no case.
But are you saying that?
Because what I'm saying is that even the process has not started. When there is wind, say a bear recruitment, yes, there is wind. Then, but they should have waited for us to go through the process by advertising. And I'm saying that advertisement does not mean sale of forms. And let me tell you why. Okay? When they started selling forms, they sold forms. Not everybody had the opportunity to enter into the security intelligence agencies. Yes, you see, any forms, and you'll be on the COVID. And the advantage say, for the prison service, for instance, hypothetically, one will be recruiting 1,500. Nasa who got forms. Nasa nipa 300,000 forms. Masa. Na nipa 1,000 this year. What do I say? They said your kind. Let me tell you your kind. Said last minute will be about so protocol. And I say so. If he knows there's protocol of which he and his colleagues have enjoyed in Akufo-Addo's government today, he cannot deny that fact. Protocol that he and his people have enjoyed in Akufo-Addo's government, he cannot deny it. I get him to deny it. Into some of the Yemeni in our pass and one. Protocol in the air no more chance to do kasa, no more pass it out. It is not a good thing to do. What we are saying is that people who pass the eligibility criteria will be recruited into the service. No political color. Everybody is a Ghanaian. And so, that's who pass here, who training, who pass here. You are police, you are business, you are immigration, you are customs, you are whatever. You are not a political party. If you listened to me a few months ago, when I visited immigration, I warned them that anybody who wants to do politics should let us know now, and we'll let them go home. Because we are clear in our minds to say, you do professional policing. How do I say? I didn't know that Peter Toby, he's the one defending IGP. Why is he doing so? Because it's democracy. IGP arrests members of government. That is professionalism. He's doing his work. Why are they not complaining about that one? They are happy with that. And then the NDC police. Why don't they say that? I think we have to move away from this partisan style of activities. It is not helping us as a country. I'm so disappointed. Say, Wongobeka said, yeah, vigilantism police. How? And you may catch from say postpone as members of parliament. They should return all of them to us immediately. Because
NDC what power no? You or that constituency no. In for constituency on page one. This obi ako fill a police form. Now be who MP say wo because oben aban munti no. Boa me. Na me nya service ni nwura na oboa no na okọ police on the training pakra.
But why should it be so?
Why should it be so?
I must say fair playing ground.
Which is it my so niam
say. Why should it be so?
No, yeah, mine so NDC time. Omo kan onyame di mu. Say omo bi anso bi nsa amwa no amane nya adwuma anye. Whether it's police, whether it's a health sector, energy sector, whichever sector. Yeah, the man yourself, yeah, Sabi fan chami. I am more ya, quite fast way among yourself. And they MPP. Some people now MPP accuse you MPP NDC. NDC one no accuse you MPP. The same MPP IB. Open next time. Say NDC for any opportunity. MPP will accuse you. Now NDC, yeah, me say number office. Afforestation, youth in afforestation. Me say, no be say, because we had a compile names from NDC MPs brought us names. I am foul. You're foul because I'm a Ghana for. And if because me body you are, it will shock you. You're foul because I'm a Ghana for. Almost say afforestation, NDC MPs. They were coming to our offices with list of names. Almost says a young former Juma Mumma, Sabi our constituency, no, as we do, but because only a Ghana for may count 9 semi opportunity by the Minister of Interior, Minister of Defense. Say or move year recruitment, now make chance meet many opportunity nipa ba. I have not sure me nipa half bomba. Oh, here what Ghana hano. Ni come di nipa no so obetima bobi now are you qualified. The word is qualified no a gun in you obetima adwuma ya. You are saying said that opportunity now no dia mama me dey be boa no mama mfa mo no because it's where dey be a friend of protocol. What is protocol? And these MPs can they swear on their life say na recruitment take away or mu being called minister don kan chele say we dey what say mu kosu me on kra me no me nsa bia ja motimi bo mma me a betima bo me na say oyesa boni be ne wom say ono MP kwa kwesa boni be ne wom kwa. What is wrong? Crime be ne wom say obi be bo obi am na nya adwuma e wo man mu kwabra some dey nipa call police training center be am go. If the person is unqualified, can you force the person? Which man force him say, on your qualified? And so me MPD and I'm here minister, you know, on your qualified. only said that's many times and call a year training grounds or more general fee. So and number or call honor young chair party as whole. It was about training into the service. And see, near maybe what you discuss here, ya chamdudo. I did a young choir, ye be obi ye be pet. Na and tears when NDC were in power that time. Ye did so ye police for him say we actually the me and say ye far for station for be. NDC for example about say ye train was to ye training and comfort the one have a costume me our elections.